Welcome. Today we'll have the lecture 3 handling radio buttons. We'll also learn how to add and handle the radio buttons under the Developing GUI in Python series. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. Here first we'll import the start from tkinter. Then we'll write the definition for the radio button, what will be displayed. By default, there is radio button. So I have given the name to the definition as radio BU. Here we will print the different values, sample values. As per your application, you can provide the data for displaying the radio buttons. Whenever we click on a radio button, the value of that radio button should be displayed or should be captured, and that value we are getting with var.get. Now we'll define the root and object. We call the function tk from tkinter. I have written the code for displaying the different radio buttons for the different samples and given the sample names as sample 1, sample 2 and so on. Like this, I define the samples. Then we will adding the frame for displaying the radio buttons. Here we'll have f equal to frame, relief equal to res. You can provide the different parameters under the relief to have the different formats for the frame of the radio button. Now I have set the border width as 5. You can change this value and try out different look for your radio buttons frame. Now when we click on the radio button, that value we have to capture, and for this I have defined the string var method. The output stored on the in the variable var. Now I will write the for loop to capture the different values of the radio buttons. R equal to radio button, so the inbuilt method for displaying the radio buttons is the radio button. Then we are providing the frame as f and the text to be displayed is equal to the sample. Comma the variable. What variable we are defined? Var. So we are providing the value as var to the variable attribute or parameter. Comma value. Value equal to sample. Next, where you want to display the radio buttons, so r.pack side equal to top. In the last lecture, where we have displayed the button at the different places like top, bottom, left, right, here also we can pack the radio buttons with respect to the frame. We are defined the f as a frame. So f dot pack and pad y equal to 10. So the distance of 10 pixels will be considered on in a vertical y-axis. Now in this I am defining a button for new show value command equal to radio button and where to park the radio button as pad y equal to 10. Here is the output. I have declared one button with the label or name as show value. When you click on the show value button, it will display whatever the sample or radio button you have clicked or selected. And we have to give command for the button. So lambda radio button. So we have defined a method. What the method we have defined radio button that is called here, and we are packing with 10 pixel value. Then var equal to var dot set sample 1. Now after running this you can see the output. When you click on the sample value, it will be displaying sample 2. Similarly, you can select the different radio buttons and you can display the corresponding value of the radio button with the show value button. Try out this on your own. Thank you. If you have any queries or any doubt about placing the radio buttons, you can comment. I will try to solve your queries. If you like the video, share it. Thank you.